A leaking water filter in the fridge can be caused by several factors, including a cracked filter, a damaged O-ring, or a dirty or damaged filter housing. To address the issue, one can try replacing the filter, accessing the leaking filter, and removing it from the fridge to inspect for damages or cracks. If the filter is damaged, it should be replaced. The O-ring, which sits between the filter and the filter housing, should also be examined for damage or wear. If the O-ring is damaged, it can be replaced with a new one. Additionally, the filter housing should be accessed and removed to check for damage or mineral buildup. If damaged, the filter housing should be replaced. Otherwise, it should be thoroughly cleaned to remove any debris or mineral buildup that may have accumulated. By taking these steps, one can identify and fix the problem, resolving the issue of a leaking water filter in the fridge.